Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect big data solutions with Cloudera. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect big data solutions with Cloudera, begin by accessing your Cloudera manager. Log in with your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Clusters tab on the main interface. Select the cluster you wish to work with. Click on Add Service to initiate the process. Choose the big data solution you want to connect. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the service settings. Enter the required parameters, such as service name and type. Select the data storage option you plan to use. Specify any necessary security settings, like authentication methods. Cloudera will then validate your configurations. Once validation is complete, click Continue to proceed. Review the summary of your configurations. If everything looks correct, confirm your changes. Cloudera will begin the installation of the selected service. Monitor the installation progress on your screen. Once installed, ensure that the new service appears in your cluster overview. Next, configure the service for optimal performance. Access the service settings page from the cluster overview. Adjust memory and CPU allocations based on your workload requirements. Enable any additional features or integrations as needed. Save the changes to finalize your configuration. Now, navigate to the Data Management section. Set up data sources by providing necessary connection details. Test the connection to confirm accessibility. Once verified, you can start importing data into your Cloudera environment. Select the appropriate data processing framework according to your analysis needs. Create jobs or workflows to manage data processing tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.